How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a bitmap in OSU. So of course, the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to OSU, and then you want to click on edit, and then we have the bitmap editor. So just click on it, and here you could set everything the way you want to from the artist. So as an example, I'm just going to put something like guide. We have the title of this specific bitmap. Let's go ahead and put something like hardcore. And of course, you have the creator as your own username. The difficulty name, let's choose something like devil. And we have source, mapper tags, and many more to make this a lot easier. I'm not going to fill everything up, but in here you also have some additional options like adding some hit scans, the color of your level, the design, and difficulty. And simply from there, we can then head over to the next section, which is going to be composing the actual level. In here, to make things a lot easier, you could click on the new combo option, and then you could add combos the way you want to by just importing the combo right here. And before you get to actually add your hit circle, your combos, and many more, we actually have to add a timing point first. That's going to be inside timing, so just click on it. And here, click on the select closest to current time. It will then point it to our specific time right here. And then click on the add at current time. And now we have our timing selection or our timing point. From there, we could select composed, and basically it's going to be 60 beats per minute. And then now we can add our hit circles normally. So this is going to be on the first one, and then you could go ahead and move your playhead right here, and then you could add the second level. And basically in here, so on and so forth. Let's go ahead and add a slider to here. And then, of course, once again, so on and so forth. You can keep adding if you want to, but that's going to be it. In here, you could click on something like test to test out your bitmap. And right after, you should be good to go. This is going to be our bitmap right here. And you could just keep practicing, keep designing until you get everything perfect. But of course, it's going to take time creating levels and music design for OSU. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.